Hello friends, today I am going to show you the first 5 levels of the river crossing IQ game. So first level. A farmer wants to cross a river and take with him a wolf, a goat and a cabbage. The farmer is the only one who can steer the raft. He can only take one passenger in addition to himself. If the wolf and the goat are alone on the same riverbank, the wolf will eat the goat. For this level, take the farmer and the goat first. Then take the farmer back. Now take the wolf and the farmer. Then take the goat and the farmer back. Now take the cabbage and the farmer. And then take the farmer back. Then take the goat and the farmer. It is done. Level 2. 4 soldiers need to cross a river. One is arrogant, wearing the red plume. One is lazy, wearing the black plume. And 2 are brave, wearing the blue plumes. Rules: the raft can hold a maximum of 2 soldiers. The lazy soldier refuses to be alone either on the raft or on either bank. The arrogant one refuses to be accompanied on the raft. How can they all get to the other side? For this level, take the blue soldiers first and then take back one blue soldier. Then take the red soldier and take back the another blue soldier. Then take a black and the blue soldier and take the blue soldier back. Then take the blue and blue soldier again. And it is done. Level 3. 2 boys and 2 children wants to cross a river. Rules: the raft can hold a maximum of 1 worker or 2 children. Everyone can row. How can they all get to the other side? For this level, first take the 2 children and then take a children back. Then take 1 worker and then take the children back. Then take the 2 children again and take 1 children back. And then take the worker. Then take the children back. And then take the 2 children again. And they will cross the river. And it is done. Level 4. 5 people want to get to the other side of a river, but each of them dislikes his immediate neighbors. The first person dislikes the second and the fifth. The second person dislikes the first and the third. The third person dislikes the second and the fourth. The fourth person dislikes the third and the fifth. And the fifth person dislikes the fourth and the first. So, the raft can hold a maximum of 2 people. If 2 people dislike each other, they refuse to either on the raft together or on the same bank together without any other person. How can they all get to the other side? For this level, first take the second and the fourth worker. Then take the fourth worker back. Then take the fifth and the third worker. And take the third worker back. Then take the first and the fourth worker. And take the second and the fifth person. Not the fourth, fifth. And then take the third and the fifth person. And take the fourth person back. And then take the second and the fourth person. And it is done. Level 5. A family needs to cross a river in a small raft. Father weighs 90 kg, mother weighs 80 kg, Boy weighs 60 kg, girl weighs 40 kg, and they have a 20 kg bag. Rules: the raft cannot bear a load heavier than 100 kilos. How can they all get to the other side with their bag? So first take the boy and the girl. Then take the girl bag. Then take the mother and the bag. And take the boy bag. And then take the father and take the mother bag. Then take the boy and the girl and take the girl bag. Then take the mother and take the boy bag. And then take the boy and the girl. And it is done. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this, please subscribe it and also share it to your friends.